Hello, brothers and sisters. This is the day Yah has made. We will rejoice and be glad in Hallelujah. A psalm, a song for the Sabbath day. It is good to give thanks to Yahuah and to sing praises to your name, O Most High, to declare your love and kindness in the morning and your faithfulness every night. On an instrument of 10 strings, on the lute and on the harp, with harmonious sound. For you, Yahuah, have made me glad through your work. I will triumph in the works of your hands. O Yahuah, how great are your works! Your thoughts are very deep. A senseless man does not know, nor does a fool understand this. When the wicked spring up like grass, and when all the workers of iniquity flourish, it is that they may be destroyed forever. But you, Yahuah, are on high forevermore. For behold your enemies, O Yahuah, for behold your enemies shall perish. All the workers of iniquity shall be scattered. But my horn you have exalted like a wild ox. I have been anointed with fresh oil. My eye also has seen my desire on my enemies. My ears hear my desire on the wicked who rise up against me. The righteous shall flourish like a palm tree. He shall grow like a cedar in Lebanon. Those who are planted in the house of Yahuah shall flourish forever in the courts of our Elohim. They shall still bear fruit in old age. They shall be fresh and flourishing, to declare that Yahuah is upright. He is my rock, and there is no unrighteousness in him. Brothers and sisters, let's remember what Yahushua told us. But the hour is coming, and now is when the true worshippers will worship the Father in spirit and truth, for the Father is seeking such to worship him. Yah is spirit, and those who worship him must worship in spirit and truth. Until next time, may Yah bless you.